Hello students, welcome to the ITC class. Today we will study session 13, which is appreciating someone. So in this chapter we will learn the various phrases used to appreciate someone. So appreciate basically means to admire and value something or someone, or to be grateful for something. So let's read. How would you feel if someone you knew very well and you had helped comes up and says to you, "Someday I hope to give to you a fraction of all you have given me"? For employers and employees, businessmen and clients, family members, close friends and associates, expressing appreciation for everything a person means to you is absolutely necessary. It lifts your heart and makes the today's stresses that you face more manageable. Take the time today to tell someone, "I appreciate you." To do so, you need to know how to appreciate, and that's what you will learn today. Okay? As appreciation means to admire and value something or someone, what they have did for you. Okay? To be thankful to them. So in this chapter, let's read how we can appreciate someone. Okay, and there are various ways to appreciate our friends, colleagues, family members, close friends, or professionals. Okay, so let's see. Look at the following situation. A friend of yours has done a favor for you now. He would How would you express your appreciation for your friend? Think about it. So there is a situation given that a friend of yours has done something good or a favor for you. Now you want to appreciate him or her. So how will you appreciate? Think about it. We generally show our appreciation when we show our appreciation when someone has done something for which they are grateful or thankful. Someone has done something praiseworthy. Okay, means ki we appreciate the people who have done something to us, being grateful, or okay, and we are thankful to them. Or someone has done something very good, means so that they deserve our praise. Okay, they are praiseworthy. So therefore appreciation may be shown not only when someone has done you a favor, but also when a person has done something good or admirable. Okay, so it means that appreciation is not only done when someone has done good to you, but also if someone has done good which is praisable. So let's read the details given below. First is appreciating someone. First condition is when someone has done do you a favor. Okay, means if someone has done good to you, you are thankful to them. So how will you appreciate? Thanks a lot. This is most common ways of saying thanks a lot or thank you. Next is thanks, you are a lifesaver. Thanks, I really appreciate it. Thanks, you really made my day. Okay, in this way you can thanks somebody who has done something for you. Next is when someone, that can be junior at work, has done his job well. Okay, means when someone is junior than you. Next is great job. So first is great job. Next, well done, nice work, good work, keep it up, you did very well, keep up the good work, I appreciate your effort. Okay, so in this way you can appreciate somebody who is junior to you. Next is when someone, that can be singer or dancer, has performed well, means you are appreciating their work and what they have performed or done is praisable. First is that was a great or an excellent or outstanding performance. Okay, it can be that was an excellent performance. Okay, second is you performed very well, I enjoyed your performance. So next situation is when someone shows concern and support. Okay, means they are uh, careful to you. I appreciate your concern, thank you for your concern. Thanks for the support, I really need it. Thanks for standing by me. Okay, appreciating someone close to you, and they can be parents, friends, etc. You are a wonderful person. You are an amazing person. Thank you for being who you are. Okay? In this way, you can appreciate somebody who is close to you, and that can be your parents, friends, anyone. So, this is the exercise. This you have to just read. Study the situation described here. Fill the blanks with how you would express your appreciation in the given situations. You can use the phrases and sentences you learned earlier. First situation is, you want to buy a book but do not have enough money. Your friends lend it to you. Second situation is, your junior at work used to perform badly. Lately, his performance has improved. Third situation is, it's Mother's Day and you have bought a card for your mother. You want to write lines showing your appreciation. Fourth is, your younger brother has come top of his class. Fifth situation is, you are organizing a campaign for the adoption of stray dogs. A man donates an amount, and that amount can be huge or small for the cause. So all the there are five situations given. From among all these five situations, you have to do only three situations in your rough copy. Later, if that will be correct, you can write in your fair copy. Okay, so this is your homework. This exercise you have to do yourself. First is assessment. Let's read. Fill in the blanks using the correct option given in the bracket. So there are 9 questions in this assessment. We will do this in the class. Okay, and we have to fill in the blanks according to the options given in the bracket. So first is, you did me a dash favor. Options are great, large. So what would be correct? Great. You did me a great favor. Okay. Second is, I'm so dash that you won, happy or cheerful. So I'm so happy that you won. Okay, not cheerful. You are looking dash tonight. Wonderful, brilliant. You are looking wonderful tonight. Okay, not brilliant. You did a dash thing by helping that poor boy. Well, good. You did a good thing by helping that poor boy. Fifth is, we thank you for being so dash. We thank you for being so gentle. Okay, that was a dash performer. That was a fantastic performer. Next is, your generosity is appreciated by dash. So many, much. Your generosity is appreciated by many. So next is, you are doing your job dash well, very or very. So very will be correct. VERY, first option. Okay, you are doing your job very well. Second is, choose the right word from the bracket to fill in the blanks. Again, we have to do the same in this exercise also. So we will do this in the class. Rama presented the show really well. I think that she is very dash, arrogant or confident. So as she presented the show very well, so she must be confident. So confident is the right answer. I think she is very confident. Sheila is very dash, patient or lenient. While talking to clients, she tries to understand them. So patient will be correct answer. Sheila is very patient while talking to clients. I wonder how Nilanza can be so dash before any team meeting. So relaxed, lazy. So I wonder how Nilanja can be so relaxed before any meeting, any team meeting. Next is, Priya is extremely dash and that makes her the team favorite. Priya is extremely dignified. Okay, not grand. Priya is extremely dignified and that makes her the team favorite. Next is, I like the fact that Ram is dash, inquiring or nosy. That way he gets his doubts cleared. So I like the fact that Ram is inquiring. That way he gets his doubts cleared. Sixth is, Raj spent his money dash with a lot of care or like a miser, so he has no major debts. As Ram spent his money in the way, so he has no major debts. So it could be with a lot of care. Raj spends his money with a lot of care, so he has no major debts. Seventh is, it was because of Ram's dash, hard work or overwork that we got a new deal. So hard work will be the correct answer. It was because of Ram's hard work that we got a new deal. Okay. Eighth is, Raj uses dash old fashioned or outdated ways to solve problems because he feels that it always works. So correct answer will be outdated. Raj uses outdated ways to solve problems because he feels that it always works. Last is, Ravi is always dash up to date or modern with his work. So it will be up to date with his work. Ravi is always up to date with his work. So this session is completed and you have to do your homework in your rough copy first. Don't forget to do that. You have to do only 3 situations. Okay, you have to write the statement for the appreciation in that situation. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.